Welcome to the magical house. As the day turns into night, the small puppies in the house are getting all set to go to sleep. Would you like to come with me and see who is still awake? Hello, Cavalier King Charles Spaniel Puppy. In the warm glow of day, the Cavalier King Charles Spaniel Puppy explores the house, its fluffy ears bouncing with curiosity. As night descends, the little pup curls up on a cozy cushion, dreaming sweet dreams. Day and night, the house is filled with the charming presence of the Cavalier King Charles Spaniel Puppy. Can you kiss to the Cavalier King Charles Spaniel Puppy and wish him sweet dreams? Good night, Cavalier King Charles Spaniel Puppy. Look who we have here. Australian Shepherd Puppy. In the sunlit hours, the Australian Shepherd Puppy dances through the house, her eyes gleaming with mischief. As the moon rises, she settles into a snug corner, her fluffy coat a soft pillow. Day and night, the house echoes with the playful spirit of the Australian Shepherd Puppy. Can you say good night to the Australian Shepherd Puppy and wish her a peaceful sleep? Good night, Australian Shepherd Puppy. Hi there, Poodle Puppy. In the enchanting daylight, the Poodle Puppy prances elegantly through the house, her curly fur bouncing with every step. When the night descends, she transforms into a cozy companion, curling up by the fireplace, a fluffy guardian of dreams. Day and night, the Poodle Puppy brings joy to the home. Can you help the Poodle Puppy settle down and say good night? Good night, Poodle Puppy. Look who came. Cairn Terrier Puppy. During the radiant day, the Cairn Terrier Puppy explores every nook, her playful spirit filling the house with boundless energy. As night falls, she cozily curls up, becoming a warm and loyal presence, a tiny guardian watching over dreams with twinkling eyes. Day and night, the Cairn Terrier Puppy brings delight to the home. Can you wave to the Cairn Terrier Puppy and say good night? Good night, Cairn Terrier Puppy. Hello there, Border Collie Puppy. In the enchanting daylight, the Border Collie Puppy dances through rooms, her intelligence sparking curiosity. As twilight descends, she snuggles close, casting a loyal spell over dreams. Day and night, the Border Collie Puppy weaves joy and warmth, making the house a magical haven of love and companionship. Can you say goodnight to the Border Collie puppy and wish her sweet dreams? Good night, Border Collie puppy. Look who's here. It's our special friend, Beagle Puppy. In the sunlit hours, the Beagle Puppy explores, her keen nose tracing tales of hidden wonders. With night's arrival, she rests, dreaming of adventures among the stars. Day and night, the Beagle Puppy infuses the house with boundless curiosity and a heart full of love, turning each moment into a charming tale. Can you hug to the Beagle Puppy and say goodnight? Good night, Beagle Puppy. How do you do, Pomeranian Puppy? During the day, the Pomeranian Puppy frolics, a burst of fluffy energy, turning ordinary moments into enchanting escapades. At night, nestled in a cozy corner, dreams of playful mischief and love dance in his tiny heart. With every sunrise and moonlit night, the Pomeranian Puppy weaves magic through the house. Can you help the Pomeranian Puppy settle down and say goodnight? Good night, Pomeranian Puppy. Look who we have, Chihuahua Puppy. In the enchanting house, the Chihuahua Puppy, a pocket-sized ball of joy, explores the day with curious twinkling eyes. At night, nestled in a soft blanket, dreams of daring adventures and tiny triumphs fill its heart. The Chihuahua Puppy, a celestial spark, brings boundless charm to each dawn and dusk. Can you sleepily rub your eyes and say goodnight to the Chihuahua Puppy? Good night, Chihuahua Puppy. How are you, German Shepherd Puppy? Within the house, the German Shepherd Puppy, a fur-clad hero, embarks on daily quests with boundless energy. By day, playful antics echo through the halls, a symphony of joy. As night falls, the loyal guardian rests, dreams woven with tales of loyalty and friendship, a testament to love's enduring power. Can you cuddle the German Shepherd Puppy and wish him sweet dreams? Good night, German Shepherd Puppy. So, dear friend, this magical house is full of enchantment and surprises. As the night goes on, the puppies keep enjoying the magic around them. All the puppies have found their cozy spots and are falling asleep. Now it's your turn to close your eyes and dream about all the puppies we met in the house today. Good night, little one. Goodnight Puppies.